this is the Bell Makeovers. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very easy ghillie tutorial. First, you fold about 1 inch inside, then you divide your ghillie into almost 2 equal halves. One side will be a bit longer than the other side, then you place it at the hairline. Then you cross it at the back just as if you are tying a scarf, making sure that the shorter side comes up above the longer side. Then you start to pleat the shorter side just as I'm doing right now, making sure that the spacing between them is as equal as possible. You can make about 4 or 5 pleats or even 6 pleats, but you have to make sure that any pleat you make, you follow it through to the other end. After making those pleats, pull it down very well to make sure it is firm. Then pick the other side and bring it over it, using it to secure the one that you have done, just as you will see me do in a bit. This longer side will be like a continuation of the pleats that you have created already. It's just going to start at the next line. Create another 4 or 5 pleats. One important thing to note, especially with the longer side, is that you have to be careful of the space in between your pleats. If you put too much space in between your pleats, you are going to use up your ghillie before you can make enough pleats, and then your ghillie will end up looking flat. So you have to find a balance. The spacing in between the pleats must not be too much and it must not be too small. You can see me checking mine now. Now you continue your pleats to the very back of the end, and then when you get to the back of her head, just pick the ones that you used to make the pleats and twist it just as I'm doing now. I'm just twisting it so that I can pin it. This will help me to secure the ghillie while I go and work on the remaining pleats. Now it's time to finish the rest of the pleats. It's basically the same way we have been pleating the ghillie before. So you just pick them one by one and work your way to the other end. I find it easier to work section by section, then I work my way to the other end gradually. Have you liked this video yet? If you haven't, please go and like it too, and also leave a comment. Subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel already. This ghillie gave me tough time tying it because it's too soft. It just kept on falling apart as I was arranging it. It really took me time. My model was tired, even I was tired. So I will advise that your ghillie should not be too soft and it should not be too strong. While you are creating your pleats, use your hand to secure the pleats you have created already, so you don't find yourself pulling or tugging the ones that you've done and scattering your pleats. Just use your hands to hold it. Can you see what I'm doing? Just use your hands to hold it and create the next set. As you are getting to the other end, just be using your hand to raise the pleats that you have done to give it your desired height or shape. Continue your pleats to the back of the head, just as you did with the previous one, before you pin it. Now I'm just pinning the remaining ghillie at the back before going to the front to put finishing touches to my ghillie. If you would like to see how I created this look on my beautiful model, please let me know in the comment section. Or if it's other ghillie styles you would like to see, let me know in the comment section so I would know which one to work on. And that's the easy ghillie tutorial, guys. It's really easy and simple. You just need to take your time. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.